Welcome into the studio. I hope everyone is doing well. By the way, I'm Ann. The channel here is called Annmakes. And today I just thought I would pop in and tell you about a way for you to try new crafts that to try new crafts. And you can do this every month. I was contacted by the Annie's publishing company and asked if I would review one of their kits. They have a kit club, a monthly kit club, where they send out an entire kit to your home and you get to play and make stuff. So for those of us who are crafty and are looking for inspiration, or looking for just to learn something new while being safe in our own homes, I think this is worth a look-see for you guys. I said, sure, I want to check it out. They sent me a kit from the Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. So this kit club, the way it works is that every month, for as long as you wish to participate, you can cancel at any time, of course. So every month, the Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club, you don't know what you'll get. So you get to try different new crafts. And I really wanted to try that because that is something that is so me. I like to try different things. I try to learn about every craft there is out there. So I like the idea of trying something new every month. And they also have a lot of other kits. Like if you say, no, I don't want to do something different every month. I'm a quilter, or I'm a crocheter, or you have a specific craft. Check out all the other kit clubs that they have. They have so many. I have seen many of the kits, the actual kits themselves, firsthand at a convention, and I was pleased. I was impressed by the quality of the products. The products usually included in the kits seemed of good quality. The ones I saw, the one I received was of good quality. It's not cheap stuff. I have had other companies send me products and I was not very impressed by the quality, but this, so far, so good. So thumbs up for that. So the Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club sent me the Floral Hoop Art Kit. Now it comes with this little pretty instruction manual of how to make the suggested project that is on the pamphlet. Also comes with all the materials needed to make the suggested project, and well, and then some. I say then some because I have a lot of product left over because I did not make the project exactly as is. So the project suggested here are these embroidery hoops with felt, and they are beautiful. I love the concept and the pretty flowers, and since I am a flower lover, this was right up my alley. However, when I looked at this, and I was going to make it exactly like this, and then I decided, no, I want to make it to match my decor. So that is what I did. So when you get the kit, you get, like for example, for this Floral Hoop Art Kit, you do get 2 embroidery hoops. There's 2 sizes, and this is the other one. I'm going to show you my finished project in a little bit. And you get all the felt, all this nice felt, and it's nice quality felt. It's not flimsy, cheap felt. It's good quality felt. It holds up very well in the hoop when even if you have to stretch it a little bit. And you get some sewing thread, you get some embroidery floss, there's a piece of chalk, and there's a needle, where the needle is, I can feel it. It's in here. Okay, well, it might be hard for me to show it to you, but the needle is still in the little bag. I've used the products, I've made my project, and I still have all this left over. So I did find the felt easy to cut. The instructions I found were good. I would have put a little bit more detail in the step-by-step and the how-to, but that's just me. But I was able to follow through and recreate the project with some modifications for my own home decor. So you get everything you need to make the project. You get the instructions here how to make the little flowers, little florets or flowers. There's 2 different styles, and there are some helpful hints about what to do before you start. So the little pamphlet is well presented, nice colorful pictures, easy to follow instructions. The product quality is quite good. You get plenty of product to make the suggested project, and you do have leftovers afterwards, so it's a good way to create your own stash. Now, the project I made is a little different from their project. I decided to make this, and of course you've seen a picture earlier, and I'll show you a picture again of how I am using this. I turned this into a pocket, as you can see here, and it's a working pocket. It's all felt. I did stitch the pocket by hand onto the felt. I made the 3 flowers in these colors with some green. I did not use any of the blue because the decor that I have in my front entrance doesn't contain blue, and that would have just, although it's a beautiful blue, it's absolutely gorgeous, it would have clashed with what I have already in my home. So this was just it's perfect for my home. It fits perfectly on that wall beside my front door, and I just thought it was a very pretty way and practical way to put masks in, considering that is what we're living through right now. And once we are through, hopefully through this pandemic, we could still use this to put either outgoing mail or notes or lists or something. There's always something that you need to grab when you're about to leave the house. So this is what I decided to do with my project. And it was very easy to make. I just had to insert the felt in the hoop, tighten it, and that was pretty much it. I made the flowers as the instructions suggested, and I just hot glued them on to the top here. So if you're interested in checking out Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club, I have a link for that in the description. I am also giving you guys a coupon code, so your first kit, instead of costing $19.99, and that is in US dollars, would be $9.99. There is some shipping. For Canada, it's a little higher than the US. In the US, I believe the shipping is around $5 or $6, and in Canada, I think it's close to $10 or just a little about. It's actually reasonable for shipping rates, considering how much shipping costs have gone up since, you know, we're all ordering stuff from home. So, of course, it's $19.99 each month after that, plus the shipping, and you can cancel at any time. I think it's a great way if you don't want to leave your house and you want something to come to you and you want to get a little bit of excitement and a little bit of a surprise each month, because you don't really know what you're going to get. But even if you're part of one specific kit of the month club, you know you'll get quilting, but it's still new. There's still that element of new and surprise that you get each month, and the sense of accomplishment of just creating something with some nice products each month. So it's a great way to keep yourself busy and to do something safely in the comfort of your own home. So I hope you'll go check out the Annie's website, which I will leave links to in the description below. And don't forget to use the coupon code so you can get a discount. And of course, if you do buy a subscription, I do get a commission for that, so thank you very much, but you're not under any obligation to do that. And so please go check out Annie's Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. And of course, I love the name. It's called Annie's. I had to throw that in there. So I hope everyone is well. I hope that you're all getting your craft done. And this is just another way to help your creativity. So thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this video. Take care of yourself, and until next time, stay crafty. Bye.